At Country Car Vehicle Storage, we understand that your vehicle is your pride and joy, and that's why we offer on-site full detailing services in our purpose-built valeting bay. Our professional valeters will ensure every care is taken to make your vehicle shine like new, both inside and out. Using only the very best products, we have a range of valeting services from snow foam wash and rinse, dried with a soft microfiber cloth, up to a full detailing package including polishing, retouching, leatherwork and paint protector. We can restore your vehicle to a factory finish. Speak to CCVS today about ensuring your car is in pristine condition before it goes into storage.